جی ناظرین، بات دراصل یہ ہے کہ خان صاحب کے اوپر جو اٹیک ہوا ہے اس میں تقریباً 4 لوگوں کا ان کا شبہ تھا کہ وہ ان کی جان کے دشمن ہیں یا ان کی ڈیل ہو چکی ہے. پھر اس کے بعد 3 لوگوں کا ذکر کرتے ہیں اور انتہا کا زور لگاتے ہیں اور اس کے باوجود ان کی ایف آئی آر نہیں کٹتی. اور چلتے ہیں یہ سارا انٹرویو جو سی این این کو بھی دے رہے ہیں, سنتے ہیں وہ کیا کہہ رہے ہیں. سنیں ذرا, آپ بھی سنیں, ہم بھی سنتے ہیں, سنیں ذرا.
Basically, more than ever, I was expecting something to happen. I predicted this first 4 months ago when there was a plot against me. 4 people in closed room had made this plan to assassinate me. And this is when May, July, June at that time. And because they were very powerful people and because I had exposed the plot, then the next plot came in, which is when they got me. And that was to orchestrate this as if it is a religious fanatic who had bumped me off, so that attention would not be on those 4 powerful people. It would be on a religious fanatic. And so the whole sequence of events, how they first, a video was manufactured, and then a video which showed me as if I'm committing blasphemy, I'm hurting religious sentiments, and then how it is picked up by one of their journalists who then flashed it, and then it was on national, the government-owned television. They played that thing for a while, how I had upset the religious sentiments.
Okay.
And then the ruling party, the information minister, they picked it up. So it was all part of a plan to make it out that eventually some fanatic had killed me. My party right now, and all opinion polls would verify that, is by far the most popular party in Pakistan's history. We have won 75% of by-elections, where my party on one side, 13 parties, all the other parties on the other side. The people who were behind this, and in fact, the 4 people who first initially planned it, and now these 3 people, this taking refuge behind a religious fanatic, we could not get the Punjab police to register cases against these 3 guys because it was for investigation. So if in the investigation they turn out to be innocent, fine. But at least it's my right. They almost killed me. I mean, it was a death trap where they, which I survived. So at least I should have the right to decide that whose motive was it to bump me off. And we could not register a case against these 3 guys. Either it will go the ballot way, which is the peaceful way, a soft revolution, or it will take the other way and out of everyone's control. Because it's a young population. Remember, Pakistan, 60% of our population is below 30.